Side still feeling each other out, but it's poorly given away by Strakosha, and a chance here for Cunha. He can't quite get his shot away. And Jorgensen clears it out of harm's way. Real let-off there for Brentford and for Thomas Strakosha. Done in the middle of midfield by Norgard, but it's a poor challenge on him from João Gomez. Eyes on the referee, Tony Harrington, as to just what the punishment will be here. Well, we can see there's a red card. João Gomez has put his side into plenty of problems here. Mope just crowded out there. Changes flying in. For throw. Wolves. The player down right now. Tommy Doyle in some pain. Challenge coming in from Michael Damsgaard, who did catch the left leg there of Tommy Doyle. Discussion taking place between Thomas Frank and Gary O'Neill, but it all ends in a handshake. He's been opinionated this season, Gary O'Neill, that is for sure. He feels that Wolves have had several VAR decisions go against them. How's the ball to roll across his body? De Silva's efforts skipped up awkwardly in front of Jose Sarr, and finally some real work for the Wolves goalkeeper to do. Free kick is whipped in, and it will break now for Mope, who fires Brentford into the lead. Well, the pressure pays off. And it's a third goal since returning to the club for Neal Mope. And you have to say he took it wonderfully well. This time they work it short. Bellegarde. Neto moves it across the penalty area to Doyle, who'll have a go. Fabulous hit by Tommy Doyle. An outstanding strike. And against the odds, Wolverhampton Wanderers have got themselves on level terms. Tommy Doyle with an absolute rocket to beat Thomas Strakosha, shifted it onto his left foot, and it tore past the Brentford goalkeeper. Brentford applying a fair bit of pressure here, but no signs that Wolves are creaking too much. Lewis Potter, cleverly done. Ooh, cut back brilliantly, and it's fired wide. Pierre Harris unable to sort his feet out quick enough to turn it on target. Another cross comes in, and a save by Jose Sarr, fired towards goal. And it deflects off target, but an infringement had been spotted inside that penalty area by Tony Harrington. Wolves breathe a sigh of relief.